Are you a newbie or even just simply curious about homeschooling? Don't go anywhere because today I'm breaking down and uncovering what homeschooling truly is and its benefits. I'm Ola, stay with me as we unpack this topic. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on the incredible world of homeschool education. Let's dive in. So first of all, what is homeschooling? It's when parents become the awesome teachers for their kids right at home. It's all about making learning as unique as each child. I remember an illustration I saw somewhere about traditional schools. A fish, a monkey, a lion, and an ant were next to a river, and they were all asked to get in the river and swim to the other side. You can see how that poses a problem because you can't judge the intelligence of a monkey, an elephant, a lion, or even an ant by their inability to swim. The very first benefit of homeschooling we're going to be talking about is flexibility in learning. This is a homeschool superpower because you are in control of when your child learns, understand how your child learns, and at what pace they learn and what their interests are. Now, taking this knowledge and using it to structure your child's learning progress is the true meaning of homeschooling. The next benefit I will be talking about today is tailored education. This is when your child's education is tailored around your child. This is where you decide what your child learns and create a curriculum that matches what your child loves and needs. Learning becomes not just effective, but super exciting. The child wakes up each day wanting to learn. If you're enjoying this dive into the world of homeschooling with me today, give that like button a friendly tap. It really makes a difference. And hey, if you're not part of our fantastic community yet, hit that subscribe button and join us on this homeschooling journey. Now here's the exciting part. Drop a comment below, sharing your thoughts, questions, or even your favorite homeschool hacks. Your likes, subscribes, comments fuels the energy of this channel. So let's keep the conversation going and continue building this incredible homeschool community together. So back to what we were talking about. Another benefit of homeschooling is strengthening of family bond. This is a heartwarming part of homeschooling really, because you're going to be there for the ups and the downs. You're going to see them at their best and understand and be supportive of them at their worst. This creates an amazing supportive vibe in the home. When you decide to jump into your child's learning journey, it creates this amazing supportive family vibe. It's like a big happy learning team. The very last benefit I'll be talking about today, which is certainly not the least, is my absolute favorite: individualized pace. I remember quite vividly back in high school, I was what you would call a slow learner. In math class, we were in the 8th week of learning and I had just gotten around understanding a concept that was taught in the 3rd week. It was a struggle. For your child, like mine, it could mean the school was going too slow or we're teaching concepts that they already understand. In homeschooling, the pace is determined by each child. The race against time ends. Each child gets to go at their own pace. Fast or slow, it's totally up to them. This way, learning feels just right, never rushed, and never feels boring. In a nutshell, this is a choice that brings flexibility, personalized education, stronger family bonds, and self-paced learning. Stick around as we dive deeper into this awesome world of homeschooling. It's a journey you don't want to miss. Thanks for joining me today on this exploration of homeschooling and its benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired. Happy homeschooling.